Good morning, welcome to channel 411. Today I picked up a brand new Dewalt compressor from Home Depot. It's a heavy duty electric workshop compressor. I picked this little baby up with some gift cards I got for Christmas and my birthday. It is the Dewalt model D55168. And I am going to unbox it. Take a look. I will provide a review on this particular unit in a later video. Apologies for the video. I am recording this from my phone. I will be getting an actual video camera someday, but not today. So again, here is the unboxing of this unit. Here's the power head. It has a tank gauge and an outlet gauge, as you can see. And this particular unit is oil-free, which means it doesn't have any kind of oil sump or use any oil to lubricate its piston and cylinder. So I guess what I've researched is that these units have a piston and cylinder that's unlubricated, and it uses Teflon on the cylinder wall to provide that lubrication. Here's the unit here. It does not come with a hose. It comes with a heavy-duty cord, one outlet, a regulator, and give you a look around. See if I can get this off. Here we go. It is a fairly portable compressor. As you can see, it's got two wheels in the front, and basically that's it for an unboxing. I will provide a review of this unit as I use it, but here's an indication of how portable it is as I'm taking it around my garage. I'm going to plug it in now, but again, thanks for watching. Sorry for the dark video. It's chilly outside and I have the garage door closed, which doesn't provide a lot of light. Thanks for watching, channel 411.